Hello guys, in today's video we'll cover everything about Windows 11, how to optimize them, how to remove all bloatwares from this operating system. I have to say now in the beginning, I recommend Windows 10 because Windows 11 it's really unstable. I'm not talking if it has better performance. We'll talk about this on another video, but now, in my experience, I'm talking about an unstable system, an unstable operating system, and if you are a gamer or a professional and you want stability, I'm not recommending this operating system. I faced many bugs and issues before doing this video, so I had to say that now, tell you about the problems. Now I have made some differences. Basically, I have made some changes in this package. First of all, I haven't anything about Windows Updates and Windows Defender. I will disable these things from the bloat programs. Okay. Um, However, when I tried to disable them from shortened programs like Windows 10, I had so many bugs. Freezing these programs for some reason freeze everything on my desktop. So you can try it from your with your own responsibility. Okay. Okay, I will start with optimization. Okay. First of all, for me, I recommend to run Windows Alt context menu. To have this context menu, for me, it's more easy, and I prefer this version. Okay. Um, Uh, Second is to run C++ packages and Dark's web setup. I'm not gonna run it now. I have already download these. I have already installed these packages. And yeah, it's really easy to install them. Um, a really important part is to set exceptions for your drive for your disks. I don't know why I can't speak today. Anyways, I have screenshots about how to do that. Okay, now you see how to do it live. Just disable everything from here. Okay, and run exclusion and add everything, all disks or USB sticks that you have connected to your PC. Okay, you are ready from this. Follow the instructions and you will haven't any problem. Install network drivers. I think it's really easy. Okay, I have already installed the latest Intel driver. Of course, I recommend always the latest drivers. Just don't install any other program that will recommend you Intel or Realtek. Okay. Now install software. So a really important part. You can download from the shortcuts your game launchers. Depends what game that you play. Okay. 7-zip. This is a really important thing. The browser, I recommend Chrome. Discord, Lightshot to take screenshots, Notepad++. This is basically for advanced users. Not necessary to install uh, if you don't care about this. Revan installer, I have it here. Spotify and VLC player. I will start with Revan installer and I will continue with Windows optimization with the settings and control panel. I'll open now Revan installer. Okay. And sometimes I'm not gonna talk so much because I think it's useless to speak. Okay, if I must say something about the process and something else, I will tell you. Go to options first, disable check for update on startup, make a restart point, disable also this. And if you don't use Microsoft OneDrive, just uninstall it. Personally, I'm not use this program. It's for me useless and take some memory on my disk. Okay. Now you ask me why I'm using this program and just don't uninstall from Windows. Because this program uninstall everything uh, that everything about the program or everything. It's trust me, this is the best solution for this. Okay. Also go to tools and uncheck basically everything. Don't want to run everything except this because maybe you want to run with a control panel. Okay. And basically I will continue with this in a few minutes. I will start with settings. Okay. I will start with system. I can disable and remove. Okay. A small difference of Windows 11 is, unfortunately, you can. Okay, this, I think this is a bug. Okay. Unfortunately, I can't remove these things, but it's in power saving, so it doesn't care about them. We will remove them from Windows 11. Anyways, from here you can select something, a program, a game that you want to have it in high performance. Okay. I think we haven't to do many things here. If you have HDR, you can do some, use some settings from here. 100% scale, of course. Your resolution. You have multiple displays. Don't change anything from here. Okay. And go to Bluetooth. Okay. Like this. Remove. Don't want this. And we haven't anything else to do here. Network. Again, not using Windows VPN. Definitely, I'm not here. Like this. Of course, it's my preference that I'm doing now. You can do everything you want. It's your choice what you will disable. Okay. Background. Recommend to have it just black. My preference, of course. Okay. Colors just sparse effect. Don't disable it. Okay. Haven't so many things to do here. Okay. Like this. Okay, I will disable them later, these things from Debloat programs. Input. Okay, I don't want anything about this. Want hide. Okay, and wait. Now I want this. And of course, taskbar in the left, it's my preference, of course. As you see, we have for some reason some bugs. Okay, it's really annoying, but I can't do it anything about this. Anyways, take all these things. Okay, I want this. I want to have settings here. You can add anything you want. You can add network or anything else. Just leave settings. In taskbar, okay, we optimize them. Font, okay, that doesn't matter. Device usage, okay. We go to apps, install apps. We can see what we have installed in that computer and to uninstall it. I show you how to uninstall some things from Revan installer. Okay. I will continue later with this program. Offline maps. Default apps, you can choose what you will have as default program. Okay. It's your, of course, preference. Basically, you can choose another browser, everything you want. I'll check everything about this. Of course, these settings not gonna give you huge improvement. Just it's my preference and I want to have minimal windows. Okay. And check everything from here. Okay. Apps. Okay, we optimize this. Care about this. We haven't anything to optimize here, I think. Time zone. Okay, whatever. Xbox. Table this. Okay, we saw that. Wait. Uncheck this. And I go again. Wait. Forgot something, I think. Yeah, this. I recommend to don't have these settings enabled. Okay. You can test them, but I recommend to have them disabled. Okay. It depends basically on your system, your hardware. I can't be sure about which is the best. For me, the best is to disable them. Okay. Accessibility, size, effects, 5 minutes, effect, lag. Okay. So many things that I must disable. It's really boring to do this. Forgot something important to do. To enable mass acceleration, of course. Narrator, disable everything here. Basically, uncheck everything. Privacy and security. Uncheck everything from here. I know it's really boring because I'm not talking so much and just using just to do that I'm doing tasks. I don't know, it's really interesting. Wait, yeah. Of course you can do it automatically this. Okay. But for me it's more safe to do it manually because I want to see what I will disable and what I will keep. Okay. Really important. Of course, disable everything about diagnostics and feedback. Don't send telemetry to those. They are everything okay. Vision. Hmm. I will table indexing. Don't have access to location. Okay. Keep on if you have webcam. Okay, and also keep on microphone. Table this. Did something stupid, I think. Yeah, keep also this on. Notifications, of course, just turn it off. Account info off. Contact. Okay. Of course, you can choose what you will close and what you will keep. Depends what you need for your computer. Okay. And decide for you. Okay. I'm just showing you the best options for performance and to keep minimal your computer. Okay. Fuck. Charging. Their devices. Diagnostics. Off. Off. Microsoft watching us all time if we don't disable all these things. Trust me, guys. Really important to disable all these. Okay, we are okay. Referrer first doesn't matter. Yeah, terminal. Just use this. I think it doesn't matter for you if you are just a gamer. Windows updates I will disable. I will disable them with another way. Minutes. And I will continue with Debloat. Fuck, I forgot something really important. I will continue with control panel. Okay. Some security system and maintenance. I will uncheck everything from here. Okay. Really important to remove everything from here. Press OK. Network. Basically, network are the same settings like Windows 10. Haven't any big difference. Basically, it's really the same. If we basically the only differences is the interface. Okay. Nice. Now just disable everything that you see here. Of course, it depends your system. Okay, some of you may have a problem if they disable some settings. Personally, I don't have any problem, and my clients also haven't any problem when I'm optimize them the network cards. Okay, just keep disable everything. Okay, um, table table navigation. I recommend to set it to 1 gigabps full duplex. Disable, 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 disable. Everything, just turn it off. Okay. Press OK. Now, just I want to see if. Okay. Guys, I want to see something important. Wait. If I change color, problem will be fixed. Basically, we have the same issue. Know why? Probably some setting. Fuck. What is happening now? Check if I can't fix it. Yeah, okay, if I turn off transparency, I haven't this problem. I guess it's problem of Microsoft, a bug of Windows, I don't know. Tell me if you know why we have this problem. Description, okay. In description, in comments. I don't know, guys, I can't speak today. I don't know why. Yeah, put this on. Okay. Hardware and sound. I will optimize later device manager. I will go in sound. I will disable the devices that I'm not using. Okay. Dot one sound, nothing. I'm not gonna change now the settings from my mouse because wait. Okay, I'm not gonna change something on my mouse because maybe we have some problems. Anyways, also I will optimize later the power plan. Okay, now we'll go to program and features, and I will disable everything from here except this. I want this. Basically, it's really useful for some games. And also, I will you can download Net Framework 3.5. It depends if you for some games it's really important to have it enabled. Okay, I will press OK and I will wait to finish the process. And sometimes, like this, we must restart the PC. I'm not gonna do it now. I will continue with user account. We'll disable this. I'm not using this. Never notify. Yes. That's it. Nice. And continue with appearance and personalization, file explorer options. This PC. Like this. Also, it's by preference these settings. Okay. You can choose anything you want. Okay. Font. Also uncheck this. If nice. In region. Okay. Also, it's my preference. See this with that way. Nice. Okay. Notify me when the clock changes. No, I don't want this. And access. Okay. No.
Always scan this
Check
section.
this. Yeah. Okay. Just uncheck everything that you see in your screen. Okay, we optimize this. Go now in keyboard, uncheck this. Uncheck all these things. Okay. Narrator none. Okay, something important that I want to do now is to icons and keyboard and just copy these settings. Okay, really useful. I think we haven't anything else to do here. We cover everything from control panel and settings. Something important that you must do is to disable um, search indexing. Okay, press OK, ignore all, and when uh, this start happening, just close it, refresh, and now as you see, we have this unchecked. Okay, and we are ready with this. Also, very important thing is to go in advanced system settings and just adjust best performance. We want this. This okay. Now I will set no paging file for my C drive. For my HDD, I will set this. It's for my computer. This it depends uh, your memory, your RAM. If you have of 8 GB RAM, you will set this in both tabs. If you have 18 gigabytes RAM, you will set this. Okay. Just double it if you have more RAM. Okay. And press OK. Environment. Okay, I'm not gonna close this because I want to have Windows apps, Microsoft Store. This. Okay. Nice. And now I will go to. Sorry. I will uninstall NVIDIA driver. Okay. Before do this, just run this registry and restart your computer. Okay. I will restart my computer. I'm coming back to uninstall. Basically, I will show you how to install driver because when I uninstall the driver and I'm recording with OBS, for some reason OBS crashing. So we'll show you the NVC clean install process. Okay, I installed the driver and now we'll show you NVC clean installation. It's basically the same process like Windows 10. Just choose the driver that you want. Yeah, in the previous video about Windows 10 I told you the latest driver, but this latest driver it's not the best option. You can try the previous driver, the 531.29, but in that case I will choose this driver. It's really stable and just don't check everything if you want maximum performance. Okay, if you want GeForce experience, you have to choose some more settings. Okay, if you choose GeForce experience, you will see what you need to check to use it. Anyways, okay, I'm back and now I'll show you the settings that you must apply in NVC Clean Install. Disable installer and telemetry and advertising, unattended express installation, perform a clean installation, show expert settings, disable driver telemetry, disable NVIDIA HD audio device sleep timer, disable DCTP, and press next. The GPU installation is finished and now we'll run the NVIDIA registry. Okay, it's really safe. You will have also improvement like Windows 10. Before I go to NVIDIA Inspector, you will go to NVIDIA Control Panel. You will enable developer options. You will choose allow access to the GPU performance counters for users. Choose the best color settings and check everything else. No scaling, the maximum color settings and the maximum refresh rate of your monitor. Don't change anything from there. It doesn't matter basically. It hasn't any effect to your performance because we haven't installed this quality setting. Okay. And also adjust image setting with preview. Just select the middle option. Okay, because now we'll go to NVIDIA Inspector. Just open it and import this profile. Okay. After this, just apply changes and we are ready. Okay. Now I will continue with Debloat. Okay. I will need first NVIDIA Revan installer. And of course you will disable everything that you're seeing now and check everything about Realtek, about launchers, except this. You need to have NVIDIA control panel. Basically, it's your option. Okay. And now you will uninstall everything except these settings. Okay. Everything that you're seeing now, keep it. Okay. It's my preference. You must be careful about what you closing. Okay. If you close something that you need, then you will have a problem. Okay. You must be careful. And we are fine with Revon installer. After this, you will need WPD to disable telemetry. Okay. Again, the same process with Windows 10. Just block and disable run press two blue tabs. Okay. And after that, you will go to blocker. You will check everything here. You will block Windows updates and everything else. And after that, you will go to WinRAR Tweaker. Okay, disable Windows. With disable the background apps. Don't change anything else. Uncheck everything from here. Disable arrow shake. Disable arrow snap. Disable app look. Disable app lookup in store. Disable automatic maintenance. Disable download blocking. Disable driver updates. Disable malicious software removal tool from installing. Disable smart screen. Disable timeline. Disable Windows updates. Disable error reporting. You can disable hibernation. Menu delay, select 0. Remove power throttling. Take timeout, set this to 0. Disable blur or sign in screen. You can disable lock screen, but if you disable from WinArrow, if you select this and go to the next, you will see it's unchecked, so it doesn't matter if you will choose to disable it. Now you will go to disable action center, you will disable it. Also my preference, disable live tiles, disable quick action buttons, disable web search. These two settings, it's not working for Windows 11, but only for Windows 10. Just saying, these settings just change the interface. It doesn't affect in performance. Wallpaper quality to 100%. And take ownership, of course, in context menu. Disable online and video tips in settings. Compressed overlay icon, disable it. Okay, you can remove something that you don't want. Disable automatic folder type discovery. Personally, wait. Okay. Don't change anything from here. Okay. Okay. I think I forgot something. Yes. Disable UAC and enable it as administrator. Disable Windows Defender. And the last one, it's my also preference, is to activate Windows Photo Viewer. The old Photo Viewer. Do this, you must go wait, Windows Photo Viewer and select everything for this. Okay, set as default for all the all the types of photo. Okay, and after you finish this, you will restart your computer. Okay, I will restart. Well, now I will show you some registry that you can run to Windows 11. I have to show you some extra things because I had some issues. Fix these issues, you will need to run sudo lg. Okay, this program will help me to run the registry that I want and to do the work that I want. Okay, as you see, we have so many problems. If we run this registry, we haven't any problem, but if I run this registry and something I will show you in a few seconds, for some reason I have a problem. To use this program, on basically executable file, just enable all privilege and browse. And now I will go to back, okay, and I will run, for me, the course is 6, so I will run this. Yes, we are okay. The same thing for threads. Nice. And now I will show you how to close Defender with this. I have said some very helpful things, helpful registry to disable Windows Defender. So do this, run it, run this, run this, run this, and run this. After that, you must to restart your computer, okay, and probably you will not have any problem. I think the problem that I told you at the beginning is because of Windows Defender. You must run some registry to close permanently Windows Defender. So yes, and okay, I run this reg, and now I will go to Device Manager. Okay, let's see from the list this. Okay, um, it's not necessary to disable everything that you see now. It's my preference, and I know I don't need all these things. Okay. What the fuck? Anyways, never mind. Disable this. Don't disable this. Is for Windows, for Microsoft, for Windows 11. It's the TPM basically. Okay. Uncheck this from your peripherals. Okay. With that way, I disable all power saves. Okay. Disable this. Disable this. Don't need this. It's gonna take some time. No. System timer. Precision event timer. PI flash. Bus. Wait. Intel management. Where is Intel management? Oh, okay. For some reason, I can find it. Where is it? What the fuck? I can't see it. I think I disabled this. Yeah, okay. I don't know if I have forgot something. I don't think so. Oh, okay. Yeah, if I have forgot something, doesn't matter. Basically, just disable everything that you see in Notepad. Okay. Let me check something also. Okay, I don't need this. Basically, I don't need. Where's my GPU? Wait. Yeah, you have to disable these things from here because we have also disabled uh, the program, this device. It's unnecessary to have them. It's kind of different from Windows 10, but yeah, you can disable this if you don't need it, and also disable this. I don't know if I recommend you to install Windows 11, guys. I hate them after this video. I will hate them. Okay, I can't. What the fuck? I can't. Holy shit, guys, I hate this so much. Okay, just I have to open this. Anyways, I will continue until opening this utility. Okay. Um, to run these things now, very well, very well. Just run on sudo, obviously. Otherwise, you will have you can't do import service and drivers. Anyways, um, okay, I will import first driver, the power plan. Where is the power plan? Holy shit! Holy shit! Yes, I can find it. Wait, very well. Okay, for some reason I have this message. Probably if I restart my PC, I will be fine. Anyways, just import this, activate it, and delete the other carbons. Pack. I've said so many times pack. I'm sorry for that. Anyways, I will run now in sudo. Run this registry. No. Also, this is gonna take some time. Bro, no, I don't want this. I don't know, guys. This video is really hard to make it. I don't know. I have so many problems. Nice. Okay. Finally, we run it. Of course, you must be careful, guys, if you decide to run this. Okay. Wait. Go again to desktop. Okay. Windows 11. Nice. Okay. Be sure about this. Run this. Nice. Okay. May I will need that again. I will continue with MSI mod utility. Nice. Every single program that I'm opening, it's bugged. Guys, that I have to say to fix this problem is just don't disable Windows Defender and Windows Update, or just wait to investigate. I must to see what is happening. I don't think so. The problem is my tweaks. Basically, no, because the problem is the problem exists when I disable Windows Defender, and yeah, I don't know why, but yes. Now just will select my PCI Express root, what is my GPU, and my GPU, set all these things in high priority, don't change anything else, doesn't matter, and may will affect the latency, so be careful. Yeah, okay. Affinities, of course, I haven't to say anything important here, just follow my guide and use um, these programs, guys, and to set affinities. Now, okay, run as administrator BCD edits, okay, clean DNS and network tweaks, and we are fine. The last thing is to wait, okay, just run device cleanup. It's gonna take some time. Sorry for that, guys. It's really strange that is happening now, but don't worry. Just don't disable Windows Updates and Windows Defender. Okay, just be careful with that because maybe you will have some problems like this. Of course, to solve this problem, just don't disable and don't delete Windows Defender. Okay. Um, okay. Don't need this. Autoruns. I don't know if probably we need smart screen. I don't know why I have this problem. Anyways, just delete. I will delete these things. Okay. Internet Explorer. Uh, delete everything from here. Nice. Delete. Delete the first. Delete Adobe Type Manager. And I think we are okay. Okay, it's not necessary to run this script. Delete updates cache problem. Yeah, that was the video, guys.